What's up next, leaders? Roger here to help you systemize and automate your business so that you can capitalize on your unique gifts. Today I want to show you how to connect both ActiveCampaign and LeadPages together. If you want to give away like a lead magnet or whatever and you're using LeadPages, you want this to be easily connected with ActiveCampaign and start things off like an automation, like a simple funnel to give away your lead magnet and maybe even more. This is the foundation and I will show you how this is working very, very easily. Stay tuned. Before we dive in, I want to thank you for watching, and the next couple of months will be sales and marketing funnel months here on the channel, so stay in the loop by ringing that bell and subscribing to the channel. I want to keep things really easy today. LeadPages is a system to create simple landing pages, simple websites with zero tech experience. And ActiveCampaign is a way to keep your audience engaged and be on point and relevant for your audience because it's active. It's an active campaign. You can base your emails on the needs of your clients. Let's dive in. How do you connect those both in a really easy way? Okay guys, welcome on my screen. First we need to have an ActiveCampaign form and a list. So in the last video up here I've already made these, the list and the form, and it looks a little bit like this. This is the form, and we also have started like an automation. So when somebody is subscribing with that form, he always will also get like this email and get a tag and get the first email with the download delivery if this is active. It's active now. And then it's time to go to LeadPages. I'm logging in here. And of course, I love LeadPages because it's so super simple to create cool looking landing pages. What do you like most of LeadPages? Let me know here in the comments below. And yes, we'll continue. I'm creating a new landing page. I'm trying to generate lead. I have a free resource, so they're asking me what I have for you guys. Yeah, let me decide on the design. Let me keep it super simple. I'm deciding this one. Let me say lead magnet, ActiveCampaign toolkit. Continue. Yeah, it's here. So I'm able to edit the images, of course. Okay, I won't deep dive into that, but okay, just add my own logo, please. Super fast. Ready to get your free toolkit. Tips and recommendations, blah, blah, blah. Okay. And then get the toolkit. I have to press edit pop-up. You will already see, hey, okay, there's a pop-up here. I have an email field and I'm going to also make like a name field, but I have to edit the integrations first. So edit integration. The standard for LeadPages is like a lead notification. They're just getting an email. So if you don't want to start using ActiveCampaign, this would be a solution. Otherwise, add an integration, and I will be adding like an ActiveCampaign integration. If you haven't done that yet, go to more services, and then you're able to add a new ActiveCampaign account. So I'm adding a new account, and I need to provide the API URL and the API key of this account. I have it right here. If you go to the settings of your account and to the developer, you're able to get your URL, the API URL, and the API key. Connect. Yes, now I have two accounts. I need to say, hey, this is my test account. So this is what I'm using to test or provide you with some knowledge around ActiveCampaign. I can go back now and I can select my list here in LeadPages, of course, and I can now select a form or a list. I don't know. I like to just use the form because the form has actions with it. If somebody is going to the form, subscribing to the form, you immediately want them to have the privacy policy checked and have a tag attached subscribing to a list. You can have more action. So I'm more a fan of connecting a form with your lead magnet or your lead pages in this case. So I'll say, okay, connected. Next fields, I also want to have the first name there, first name, and yeah, I want people to first fill in the name and then their email address. Okay, but maybe you have to just save it for now and do it again. Done. And then I want them to go to a new page. And for now, I just select the default thank you page, but I can of course also create like a cool thank you page where I ask or tell people, hey guys, thank you for downloading. Now go to your inbox and there you have it, your lead magnet you asked for. So, but now I just have the standard thank you page. I press save and close. Of course, I can change these texts and do whatever here with this box. And then I'm ready. I just can publish it now, publish. And I will have working already form and page now. So let us wait. And I can immediately create an ad for it as well. But if I'm now going to the URL, you will see, hey guys, this is it. Super nice wooden design, nice logo. And yeah, the text is there. Get the toolkit, first name, Roger, email address, and provide me with the guide, please. Send me the guide. Thank you, it's here. And then when you're going to test this, if this is really working, you go to your automations, check if, you just click on it and check the contacts in there. And essentially I would be here, but I'm not there. So what didn't work here? Roger the newbie. Yes, I found the problem. It seemed I still had opt-in confirmation on. It's not necessary in Europe, especially not in Holland. So I can put that off. But if you got it, you're getting an email like this, and also you're able to customize. This is a setting you can make on the list settings. When I confirmed, I'm getting a message, hey, thanks for signing up. And when I'm going to my contact list, I can go to, hey, check it out. Is it working? So this is my contact. And now I'll see, hey, subscribe to list, entered an automation and completed the automation as well. So when I would be going to the automation here, you see my process, see the process of this client. And it's pretty handy, right? So you're now seeing, hey, okay, delivered the download. So this is it. This is the delivery process from a LeadPages website to an ActiveCampaign page. So here you have it. You've connected both LeadPages and ActiveCampaign together. You start things off with maybe an automation, maybe a really cool follow-up to maybe a session with you or something else. You've got it. I hope you really liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you're into that, ring that bell. I see you in the next one.